Join me in warmly welcoming Antoni Rosinol, co-founder of Stack AI. With Stack AI, any organization can deploy custom AI agents to automate its back-office operations. In this quick presentation, Antoni will show us how to create an AI agent for managing refunds with Stack AI. Please meet Antoni Rosinol.
All right, so today we will be building an AI agent to refund charges for an e-commerce of sorts. I've created a Stripe account here in test mode so that we have like a test customer that has already bought 3 items, okay? The idea is that we will build with Stack AI very quickly an AI agent that can sort through refunds and decide whether to refund an item or not. In this case, I'll start with a quick start instead of the workflow builder to make things easy. The quick start is a very fast way to build and deploy AI agents. In this case, we'll put that this AI agent is a refund analyst. I refund charges for items in Shopify, for example. We can upload an avatar. In this case, I have like the nice Shopify logo that I have here. Of course, you can add your own. I'll select OpenAI. We can have a variety of models, including DeepSeek. I guess like many are familiar with this one now. But in this case, I just use OpenAI and the smartest model that they have, GPT-4o, although now they have GPT-4.5 preview. I'll keep with the GPT-4o for now. I have a very interesting prompt here that I did before. Basically tells what the AI is supposed to do. It tells it what it can refund, right? I specify here a refund policy. In this case, I'll show you how to add one very quickly. So in Stack AI, you can add any type of knowledge. It can come from a variety of connections. In this case, what we will do is use this refund policy I have here that is in a Google Drive. The refund policy, if you want, we can have a quick look, but it basically says that you can only refund people with this name. Of course, you would like to make it a little bit more sophisticated than that. And then comes the interesting part where we get like tools of sorts that you can call, that the LLM can call, depending on the situation. In this case, the most important one, send refund, but we also need to search a customer, and we also list the charges of this customer to understand whether the customer has any charge or not. Here we have to connect to the Stripe configuration that I showed you before. I've already done the connection setup to spare you this time. But basically, this is adding the credentials of your Stripe account so that it can do the necessary steps, okay? So here you have some parameters you can also configure, but I'll leave it as defaults for now. Okay, so once you have that, well, last thing I'm missing here is that you can add conversation starters. So here in this case, I could put, can I get a refund? And here, what can you do? Okay. Great. With this, we already have like a good sense of where this is going. And of course, we can publish it and play with it. For now, I'll just use this interface here that allows you to get things going. So first things, can I get a refund? Of course. Let me see. So this loads OpenAI. It answers the question and it asks, okay, can you provide an email address? So in this case, I used, what did I use? Tony Stack AI, right? So just be tony@stack.ai. With that, what it will do, the LLM, is use the tools. Okay, so in this case, it's retrieving the policy. It's understanding that it needs to search for a customer, and it will display the charges that it has for these customers, which are the ones I showed you before, right? So now it's asking me, please let me know which charge you would like to refund. Thanks, I'd like to refund the airports. I mentioned in the instructions that it should always confirm and verify that the user wants to indeed refund a specific charge. So here, please confirm that you would like to refund the airport charge of $245. Yes, thank you. And with this, it will execute the last tool it has, the send refund. So here it's sending the refund. And boom, $245 are refunded. Now we should be able to go back to Stripe, refresh the page, and see it as refunded. And this is it. Here it is, refunded. Great, fantastic. And with this, I basically show you how easy it is to build an AI agent using Stack AI.
Big thanks to Antoni for demonstrating Stack AI's capabilities and showing how e-com companies can manage refunds automatically.